fighting with the shadows of who I've been, riding the waves of this relentless sea, whispering, this is not the real me. In the depths of despair, hidden in the dark, I found hope, a flame, a spark. In every stumble, each shattered hope, the quiet strength to cope. In the turmoil, in the bitter night, I found strength in the most unlikely light. With faith unwavering, with resolved will, I'm learning to rebuild. To my own desire, through the smoke, through the raging fire, each moment sober, each imprint scar, is a sign of my journey. Oh, how far from the ash I rise, a phoenix anew, a clearer sky, a brighter view. Navigating through a world once gray, I found my way. Embrace your pain, embrace the arduous fight. Amongst the ruins you will ignite. Trust in the promise that lies within. This is your courage, let the healing begin. Yes, the path to recovery is vast, but it's the fractures that shape our past. Every promise kept, every wound healed is a testament to us, the unbound, the unyielded. Trust in grace, in the broken places we find our safe space. Let the echoes of recovery ring to the rhythm of healing. Let us all sing. Listen to the whispers, listen to the silent plea. In every struggle there blooms a decree. Let these tales of recovery